Now I've already had it running. I'll start it up again. The only adjustment on this carburetor is the screw right here, and that's the idle adjusting screw. If you turn it in, it's going to idle quicker. If you turn it out, it's going to idle slower. So once you get it running, you can adjust that to your preferences. It's been running for a while. It's a good time to change the oil because the oil is hot. So I'm going to show you how to do that. You're going to need a container similar to this. The next thing to do is to undo the oil cap here. Once you get that off, you want to dump the oil in that container by putting the machine standing up. Now you can let it sit in the container like this, or you can hold it up and make sure all the oil's out. So there's not going to be much oil in there. I'd say about half a cup. Now what you're going to need is a long funnel like this with a small tip at the end. And today I'm going to be using HD30 Castrol motor oil. It's a heavy oil, it's a summer oil, and that's what I'm going to put in there. Once you've got the oil in there, you want to grab your dipstick here. And when you screw it in, that's the range that you want. You don't want the oil to be below this little dipstick here. So I'm going to screw it in and see what the level is. So my level is good. There's oil on the dipstick, and I'm going to leave it like that. So it's good to change your oil at least once a year. If you use it a lot in the summertime, you may want to change it 2 or 3 times. It costs hardly anything to do, and it'll make your machine last longer.